So in this video, I will demonstrate how SQL injection works on the Altoro Manual website and explain its impact on web security. So first, let's proceed to the website of Altoro Manual and let's try to log in an unregistered account. As we can see, it says it's login failed because it is an unauthorized account. So let's try with the main account. As you can see, we bypass the website by logging the main account. The login page asks for a username and password. Instead of entering valid credentials, an attacker might input the resulting SQL query and execute it on the server might look like this. Since 1 equals to 1 always evaluates as a true, the attacker can log in without knowing a valid username or password. SQL injection is a critical vulnerability that can lead to unauthorized access. Attackers can bypass authentication and gain admin privileges. Next is data theft. Confidential information such as usernames, passwords, and financial records can be stolen. Next is data manipulation. Attacker can modify database entries, including account balances and user roles. Next one is website defacement. Hackers may inject malicious content, changing what users see. Next one is database destruction. Attackers can delete entire tables, causing data loss and service disruptions. And the last one is malware distribution. Injecting malicious scripts can lead to cross-site scripting or XSS or malware attacks. So that's all for the in this video.